Question, disk cleaner helps to free answer space. Next question, application software answer performs specific task for computer users. Next question, this type of software works with end user application software and computer hardware to handle the majority of technical details. Answer, system software. Next question, they can find files that are unnecessary to computer operation or take up considerable amounts of space. Answer, disk cleaner. Next question, the software that is used to create text based documents are referred to as dash. Answer, word processors. Next question, it is the set of programs that enables your computer hardware device and application software to work together. Answer, system software. Question, Coral Venezuela Illustrator are the example of answer DTP. Next question, what does the acronym BIOS stand for? Answer, basic input output system. Next question, disk encryption is a technology where data is encrypted before storage. Answer, WHOL. Next question, what is a DirectX? Answer, it is a software that drives graphics software. Next question, dash include boot, firewall and power management. Answer, BIOS. Next question, dash means that their source code is not available. Answer, freeware. Next question, in order for a peripheral to operate correctly, its dash must be installed. Answer, device driver. Next question, in computer terminology, CAD stand for. Answer, computer aided design. Question, who tells the computer how to use its components? Answer, operating system. Next question, utility programs include. Answer, virus scanning software, backup software, disk defragmenter. Next question, database software is used to. Answer, keep customer records. Next question, operating system is a. Answer, system software. Next question, which is an example of utility software? Answer, text editor, backup utility, comparison utility, disk defragmenter. Next question, DTP is a tool for graphic designer and non-designers to create visual communication for professional. DTP stand for. Answer, desktop publishing. Next question, which manual tells you how use a software program? Answer, user manual. Next question, which is not related to an application software? Answer, operating system. Question, which Windows utility erase unneeded files? Answer, disk cleanup. Next question, which general purpose software allows you to do mathematical or financial calculation? Answer, spreadsheet program. Next question, which is a software that helps a computer control to operate efficiently and keep track of data? Answer, operating system. Next question, what is the task editor? Answer, utility software. Next question, spreadsheet software is used. Answer, to keep simple company accounts, calculate employee commission payments, and simple stock control system. Next question, a computer cannot boot if it does not have the. Answer, operating system. Next question, which is not related to a utility software? Answer, railway reservation system. Next question, which software is used to create presentation to show to customer or staff member? Answer, presentation software.